Okay, I'll do it again. Stinky! Hey there, happy campers. It's Melissa here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're gonna get an inside and outside look of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 22MLS. But before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you're made aware of all of our future videos. Now let's go ahead and get started. On the outside here, we have this massive awning that spans almost the entirety of your unit, and it is very, very convenient. I actually have something extra to show you. Say it's getting a little hot already, you're not ready to set up that camper in all this heat. You have something extremely convenient right here. You can retract and extend your awning all from your convenience bay. Super, super handy. Makes it really easy to get yourself set up real quick. Now let's check out the rest of the outside of our camper. Now up top, we have our light strip that makes it super convenient at nighttime. And then if you want to keep that party going along with the lights, you have your indoor-outdoor speaker system as well. Now down here, we have our tankless water system. So this actually makes it so that you have endless amounts of hot water. So it makes it super convenient for those extra long stays at the campground. Now let's go ahead and look at our storage. Now here in your pass-through storage, we have lots of amazing details. Of course, we have a nice LED light strip that makes it very convenient if you need to grab things out at the nighttime. On my left here, we have some outlets as well as cable hookups. So if you want to watch the big game while you're away, it is making it super easy for you. And then we have tons of other stuff in our convenience bay. We have our outdoor shower system, super convenient for those messy camping trips, and then everything else that you need to get yourself set up at the campsite. Now let's go ahead and head inside. Right when you walk in, you have your control panel here with lots of great things to get yourself set up, as well as a nice light dimmer to add a little bit of ambiance to your space. And then of course on our screen here, we have a thin shade already on here. So if you want a little bit more privacy, it is super convenient for you. Down on the bottom here, we have some great shoe storage to make it really easy right when you get in your camper. Now let's go ahead and check out our sleeping space. Now over here in your sleeping space, we have a nice massive king-size bed, lots of sleeping space for you. And then of course, starting off with our storage, there is tons of room here. We have this nice hanging storage on each side with a removable shelf. So if you want to have jackets in there, longer things, you can remove that shelf super easy. And then we have these nice storage spaces above for some extra things, maybe your hats, other accessories like that. And then we have our side tables on each side. They both have traditional outlets and USB-C outlets, as well as some convenient little nightstand drawers to access some little necessary items at nighttime. And then in the back here, we have this headboard that is actually also a window. Right now it has the shade down, but you can pull that up and be able to look out there in the nighttime. It's super great. Now up front, we have some extra storage here underneath, and then my favorite little hidden storage just right here in the back. Super convenient if you want to maybe put some extra little things in there, maybe your guns in there. Everything is super easy to store. Now let's check out your living space. Right over here, we have our great theater seating. It comes with a lot of great features as well. Right here, we have our heating, and we have a massage button, and even a light that lights up these cup holders and some light underneath when you get yourself fully set up at the campground. Now let's go ahead and check out our dinette. Here at your dinette, we have a very comfortable space for you and your family to be able to enjoy their meal. This also easily converts into a bed, and these cushions are super comfortable, so this bed would be very comfortable to sleep in. Down below, we have some extra storage on each side, as well as these beautiful underlit lighting that makes it just a little bit more aesthetically pleasing as well. Up above, we have our TV here, as well as on the left, we have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. And then we have some outlets on the underneath here. So if you want to be able to charge your phone, or maybe you need to do some work, you're able to easily connect right here at your dinette. And then off to the right, we have some extra storage to be able to maybe store some movies or extra little games for the kids. Everything you need for a comfortable dinette space. Let's go ahead and look at our kitchen. Right over here in our kitchen, we have a nice big fridge and freezer combo. Lots of space for everything that you're gonna need on those long camping trips. And then over on my left, we have easy access pantry space, so you can easily move from the fridge to the pantry, and there is lots of room. These go all the way back, so there's tons of space for everything you need for you and your family. Let's check out the rest of our kitchen. Here we have our nice Furrion microwave, and again, this is the 2025 August model, so some of these details may change, but as of right now, we have the Furrion appliances. So we have our microwave here, and then we have our 3-burner stovetop with easy access splash guard. And then there is tons of space in this kitchen. There is so much room for everything you need. Lots of drawer space and cabinet space, lots of room for utensils, food, plates, everything you need. Now over here at our sink, we have a massive sink, easily washing any pots and pans, everything you have, and then tons of space for cleaning supplies underneath here. This is a huge, huge space here. And then even more so, we have an extra one off to the side, and then lots of extra up top as well. And of course, you'll notice that we have more of that LED lighting adding to the aesthetics. There is just so much amazing space here in this kitchen. You have tons of countertop space, and then off to the left here, we even have some extra outlets for that space for you to be able to add in maybe a coffee station, things like that. Now looking back at our sink, we even have a nice easy access cutting board and drying rack as well. And you can just look in here and see just how massive this kitchen sink is. Now let's go ahead and check out our bathroom. Here in our bathroom, we have, of course, our step to flush toilet, and as well a lot of cabinet space around our sink here. We even have a nice towel hanging rack. And then as we look in our cabinet space, there is lots of room for every single thing you need, especially in our medicine cabinet here, lots of room. And then off to the right, I have my nice big shower. This one has so much space. Now, I'm not very tall, I'm only 5'3", but it has an easy access skylight for all those taller people. So there's tons of room up above, lots of arm space. And then of course, we have tons of shelving in here that makes it easy to have all your toiletries, and a nice, easily removable side-mounted shower head. So if you need to spray off those dogs, it's really easy access. And we have our nice door glass here that makes it really convenient for closing it up and getting yourself a nice shower, keeping things clean. On the terms of keeping things clean, we also have our little lip at the bottom here so that no water spills out, making it super easy to keep your bathroom nice and clean. If you're interested in this unit or any of the others on the Keystone Cougar line, give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us at CookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.